content marketing. So this is actually considered as the key to success of your organization. So there is a famous saying, content is anything that adds value to the reader's life. And also there is another saying which says content is the king. This saying had created a lot of buzz amongst the online marketers. And this is a different area of marketing like social media and SEO marketing, guys. So content is the heart of what we do as marketers. You talk to the customers, clients, and the viewers, and whomever you want, regardless of what form it takes of the content. Content marketing is the use of that content, any of it, to help meet a marketing goal of your organization. That could be the acquisition of potential customers, retention of existing ones, reach more people with your brand or your product, and really anything else, guys. So, what do you understand by the word content? Content actually means something that has valuable information. In terms of business, it is related to data and strategy of how to deliver your product to the audience. And the standard definition of content marketing goes something like this. It is a strategic marketing approach that is focused on creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content in order to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. It ultimately helps drive profitable customer action. So, what are the major reasons do you think would help you consider content marketing as a career opportunity or for your business aspect as well? So, content marketing helps increase the sales, which in turn increases the revenue. You'll be saving yourself from spending more, guys. The amount you spend on content creating and marketing is less compared to what all the other people do. The major reason to shift your focus to content is that you'll gain a lot of loyal and good customers. Now, what exactly is the history behind the growth of content marketing? Now, you'll wonder why the word content marketing comes into picture. Was it there since the beginning or was it named recently? The answer to this is it was used in the year 1732 by a man called Benjamin Franklin, who published the first version of his annual Poor Richard's Almanac. He did this because he wanted to advertise the new printing business that he had created. So, this very event laid a proper foundation for what we are today. So, why content marketing? Why not any other field? No doubt that content marketing these days is very popular, and many short scale industries are using content marketing for the growth of their business organization. But you can't do something just because it worked for early adopters. And just because massive B2B and B2C businesses are using it today doesn't mean that it is right even for you. Choose a domain that you are comfortable with working and then strive to reach your target. And also categorize your agenda as to what part you have to put in more effort. This will eventually start giving you convenient results. Okay. You will find a lot of people using social media applications like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and all these applications are actually considered as a platform for distributing the content that you create, hence resulting in a lot of traffic onto your website. So let's take a look at the sales funnel, guys. The main reason or the actual reason for you to work on content marketing is to sell your product. So the outlook of content marketing sales funnel looks something like this. Here you can see that the number of viewers are high. This is the double number of people who are actually purchasing your product, guys. So say close to 75% of people are looking for information about the content that you already have. And the next phase is the one where the users show some interest in your website or your content and has thought about going further with it. Here, he or she has to decide if he wants to invest money on your product or not. This is close to 23%, guys. So these many people are actually looking forward to taking up your product. In this phase, he or she actually wants to look into more further information regarding your product and has related queries regarding the same. So this is also a crucial phase for customers as well as the organizations, because there is a chance that the customer might end up not buying or demands a lot of discounts. So this is the most important phase of content marketing. Okay, so here you can add in or you can talk about your blogs or your videos or your guest blogging and all the achievements of your company as well. The last phase is where the customer ends up enrolling or paying for your product. The density is very less compared to the number of visitors onto your website. So, this is what content marketing strives at. You're going to be striving hard to get the conversion rate to be equal, because the number of viewers are very high and the number of people who are actually ending up buying your product is very less. So we are trying to make it very equal so that the revenue or even the ROI is going to be equal. So this was about content marketing. So let's